Hello student, myself Dr. S.N. Khade, Assistant Professor. Today I am going to tell you how to study exactly for the getting higher marks and be a top in the classroom, not only classroom, just from the college, just from the university. So that thing I'm going to tell you that. So you have to do one thing for that. Just you have to make one timetable. Which kind of timetable? You might be thinking which kind of my timetable. So just simple timetable for whatever you are going to from where you are going to wake up, or whatever you might be, if you want to make from late evening, you can do it, but just start from morning, I think so. Just when you are going to wake up, for example 4 o'clock. From 4 o'clock, just mention there in the timetable, just sketch one timetable, just make one timetable, and it will be your personal timetable. It will be in your room, it will be for just for you only. So just you have to mention clearly what you have to mention clearly. Just I'm going to tell you that. Just one make timetable, and from 4 to 5, 1 hour. So just we are doing, just we are getting hours, how many hours we can do study, just that thing. So from 4 to 5, 1 hour we are getting. From 4 to 5, 4 to 5, 5 to 6 o'clock. Till 6 o'clock we are getting 2 hours. From 6 to 7 or 6 to 6:30, it will be your study period. From 6:30 to 7, it will be your break, whatever it may be. So just take one break from 6:30 to 7 o'clock. From 7 o'clock you have to do study again. From 7 to 8, again 7 to 8, it will be break for your whatever will be, tea break will be there, or breakfast will be there. So half hour. So 8 to 30, 8 to 8:30, there will be one another break. So from 8:30 to 9:30, there will be another 1 hour we are getting for study. 9:30 to 10:30, we are getting another hour. So 10:30, whatever it will be your meal time or food time, to take meal or to take food, whatever it may be, just take that and enjoy that. So from 10:30 to 11 o'clock, or sorry, yeah, 11 o'clock, you are getting your food or whatever it may be, meal, whatever prepared in your home, no problem. So from the 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, we are getting another hour. So from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, there will be another 1 hour we are getting for study. From 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, you can sit continuously. From 2 o'clock, just take one break, half an hour. From 2 o'clock to 2:30, there will be one break. From 2:30 to 3:30, there will be another hour we are getting for study. From 3:30 to 4:30, there will be another 1 hour for study. From 4:30, there will be for playing or entertaining hour, whatever you can want to do, because continuously it will be. And first thing is there, just don't break your rule, don't break whatever your schedule is there. So from 4:30, you can just go for playing, or whatever, you can watch television if you used to watch daily. So just watch, just to be continue. From 4:30 to 5:30 or 6 o'clock, till 6 o'clock, just wind up all schedule outdoor activities. And from 6 o'clock you can sit for study another. 6 to 7 o'clock, just sit properly, honestly, for study. 7 to 8, again do study. 7 to 8, and from 8 to 9 o'clock, again sit there. From 9 o'clock, again, if you want to take break, you can take half an hour break. From 9:30 to 10:30, 9:30 to 10:30, you can get another hour. From the 10:30, you can take your dinner. From 10:30 to till 10:30, or at 10:30 till 11 o'clock. And after 11 o'clock, whatever it may be, if you want to watch TV, so from 11 to 30, you can watch television. From 11:30 to 12:30, you can sit again for study. Again, one problem will be there. If you wanna go to sleep, you can go for means by 12:30, and by 12:30 if you are going to sleep, just sleep. If you wanna do continue study, you can continue like this, and again wake up at 4 o'clock. Like this, just make one schedule for your study, and definitely you will improve your study time. You will increase your study time, and definitely you will improve your knowledge and whatever it may be. Study for the getting highest mark from class, highest mark from college, highest mark from university, even though you can achieve that by following such kind of timetable. In my next lecture, I'm going to tell you by unit wise how to put up unit wise syllabus in that particular timetable and do the perfect study for getting 100% marks, or to be top in the classroom, to be top in the college, to be top in the university also. So best of luck. Thank you.